Synapse also can handle this data warehousing capabilities. So in that case, we can go for a Synapse also. Is that am I right or?
Now Synapse is absolute. Okay, no new companies will be using Synapse because Fabric has been implemented. Whatever your Synapse was doing, everything in Fabric they are doing. So there is no use case of Synapse more. If any old projects are using, they will go with Synapse. Now whatever your Snowflake is doing, you can Synapse can do, but the features in Snowflake are much more than that of Synapse.
Okay. Thank you.
Any other doubts?
Hello, I'm having one doubt. Actually, in real time, do they use Synapse and Databricks at a time in one project?
No, either one of them is used. Synapse, 90% of the time it will be Databricks. Very old projects, because Synapse is much more costlier to Databricks.
And what is the main purpose of Synapse?
That's what, when Synapse came into the picture, it came 5 years before Synapse was introduced. It was much more costlier. So a lot of companies were not using Synapse. So that's the reason now they came up with something called as Microsoft Fabric. Now they have integrated everything into one umbrella, that is Fabric, but that is still in an early stage. A lot of features are in preview state. Databricks is much more optimized that compared to your Fabric. But when coming days, 2-3 years in the future, Fabric might also be a competitor for Databricks.
Thank